Hello and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today we are going to be making a margarita cake. This is a recipe that my grandma on my mom's side showed me. She has like this big uh, scrapbook of like various magazine cutouts and all this kind of stuff. I thought it was really awesome. All the ones she's collected, and margarita cake definitely sounded interesting. Yeah, because we're literally using tequila. I'm just using this one. You can really use whatever you want. This is like proper good one because I'm also gonna be using it for my drinks and everything. And as for triple sec, I do have a expensive one, but I just grabbed this. It's just for the cooking aspect. Normally, it's not really best to get this one or the other kind because it's kind of like all chemically. But this one should be fine because most of it's gonna be cooked out during everything else. So I think it's fine because the other one's kind of a little bit expensive to use in my opinion. So yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Hello, we are back. So right now, in here already is going to be our water, our vegetable oil, our lemon juice, and our tequila and triple sec and whatnot. So we have that already mixed in there already. Other thing we're going to be doing is putting in some eggs. So normally this recipe called for a box of 8.25, but I only got this one that's 15, so I'm following the instructions on the back of here rather than what the recipe gave. So we're gonna, after we have all that in there, we're gonna pour this one in as well as a pack of instant vanilla pudding mix. All right, so now we're gonna put this in here and beat it. So we're gonna start with slow because there's a lot of powder in here and we don't want to mess it up first. Once it gets to more combined, we'll put it higher. Well, I think it smells tequila. Let's hope it calms down a little bit once we calms down a bit once it cooks. So I did start my oven already preheating, but it's still not done yet. So we'll be back temporarily for once it actually finishes. Okay, oven's just about done, so we're gonna pour this right in here. All right, so here's our cake. Also, I didn't say it previously, but this time around I actually used butter to grease the pan. So yeah, so that should be good. So yeah, we're gonna be following the time cook for the one from the box rather than the one that was originally, because as I said, it's a different size of it, so you don't want to actually burn it. So it's gonna be 33 to 36 minutes. So I will see you in a second after we are done with the. I'll see you after for the glaze, which should be interesting. All right, so we are back. So just a cup of powdered sugar. Then we got lime juice. More triple sec and more tequila. I'm gonna pour that right in there. Gonna give it a taste test. That's definitely tequila. So that should be good, especially with the orange once we actually put it on. All right, so I will see you once we have the cakes all ready. Hello, we are back. I will say it's a little bit jiggly, but maybe that's because of the pudding. But here is our glaze, so now we're just gonna pour it right on. Looks okay, but I now need to clean it off and clean off the counter, and then possibly maybe put some more of that glaze on there because I don't think a lot of it got it. So we'll be back for taste test. All right, so here is our taste test. We'll say the jiggliness of the cake is a little bit weird for me, but as I said previously, it might be just because of the Jello vanilla pudding, and it's super soft too. So let's see how this tastes. I mean, it's pretty good, I guess. It's I mean, you get you definitely get the citrus and all that kind of stuff, but I mean, I know it's margarita cake, but you kind of just hit in the face with the faced with the tequila. I mean, I guess it could be considered margarita. Hey, it's interesting. I thought I'd try it, so not everyone's going to be a winner. So I'd say it's still pretty good, but nothing to write home about, pretty much. Still was fun to make, though. Kind of really interesting to use tequila into cooking, but we will learn from this and maybe make it better some other day. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and maybe yours turns out better.